Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NNDM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day today after such a strong close on Thursday with the last 30 minutes and then the big gap down here. So moving forward, there's really two main levels that really stand out. And to just apply the KISS method here, keep it simple, stupid, let's just focus on these couple of areas, and that'll make this the most straightforward to watch moving forward. And that first level comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the future and next week, 495 goes right back to being that key area of resistance, where if the price can work its way up to that area and then get a break up through it, I mean, don't get me wrong, there's still a lot more work that the price would need to do in order to get back up to where it was, but that would certainly start to change the context and shift the landscape back to more of a situation where it becomes more plausible to think, hey, you know what? Maybe the price is getting ready to push back up towards those highs. So again, right now, I'm not saying it's impossible to push up towards the highs. I'm just saying, let's take it one hurdle at a time before you start worrying about doing battle with highs. Let's just first see if the price can, like I said, even get back above that 495 mark. So keep a close eye on that moving forward, again, from the resistance side of things. And then as far as supports are concerned, again, in the spirit of just keeping this very straightforward, nothing fancy or complicated here. The bleeding finally stopped today down there at $4.20, which makes good sense. You see back here, this was an area of resistance. So this is just a classic example of that resistance now behaving as support. So good to see that level ultimately did hold up. So that'll be the near-term overall level. But I don't think anybody would be shocked if this thing just starts to now kind of go on the sideways channel. So over the next couple of days, just having a sideways channel pattern here. Again, top of the channel, resistance at 495. Bottom of the channel, support down there at $4.20. So we'll see what happens with it next week. But yeah, not at all the greatest way to end the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.